Okay, hello, here we are. We're getting ready for our next workshop, which is leading lean. In this workshop, we got three big parts to it, or that's the way I think of it. We try to go over past workshops, the concepts and ideas that we brought, but we look at it specifically from a leadership perspective. What does the leader do when they're doing 7 habits of highly effective people, when you're, bringing people into the lean concept, when you're doing A3 thinking? So that's like the first part of the workshop. We kind of get everybody up to speed and on a level platform with that. We then use the Toyota Kata as a really good leadership coaching model that I think everybody in the lean community can appreciate and needs to know. And then last, we wrap that up with a big section on change management because that's so critical to what we're doing in the lean. And Lori's going to help us out with that and bring some of her expertise to our lean community.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to sharing some of the ProSci model called ADKAR. It really helps us keep the people side of the change relevant in our minds as we're enacting process improvement or projects that we're working on. Um, it's really important to keep that in mind and help manage and navigate through the change impacts at the person level. So I'm going to be teaching that and how it kind of embeds with project management and change management fits really nicely together.
Yeah, it's going to be exciting and a little challenging for people. Get them thinking about, what it means to be leading a lean organization and driving cultural change. So, Lori, looking forward to it as always. I think we make a great team, and I think people will really appreciate this workshop.
Looking forward to it. Hope you all can make it.